Hey everyone guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today I'll guide you through how to add an NFC card to your Apple Wallet. Okay, so whether it's a transit card, access card, or just a payment card, the process is simple and secure. So let's jump right in, guys. So first things first, you want to actually ensure that your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. Okay, because NFC functioning or for adding cards requires up-to-date software. So you just want to make sure your phone is ready. So step number two, what you want to do, guys, is you want to open up the wallet app and you want to tap on the plus sign, okay, in the upper right hand corner to basically start adding new cards, okay. And then, guys, what you want to do is you want to select the type of card you're adding. So depending on your region and card type, you may see options like transit card or payment card. If the card is compatible with Apple Wallet, you can actually proceed to the next step. So what you want to do next is, guys, you want to hold your NFC enabled card near the top of your iPhone, okay? And the phone will detect the card automatically and retrieve its details. And then, guys, what you can do is you can follow any on-screen prompts to verify ownership, such as entering your account details or confirming via a verification code. Guys, basically, once the setup is complete, your NFC card will appear in the wallet app, and now you can just use it by holding your iPhone near a compatible reader. For extra convenience, guys, you can add it to your Apple Watch as well. And that is all that is there to it, guys. You have basically just successfully added an NFC card to your Apple Wallet. And guys, if you found this tutorial helpful, guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and of course, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe, guys, and make sure you subscribe.